So we do have a WFA weather alert day that is for Thursday, and more specifically, I think that's going to happen early afternoon for the Metroplex, and we could see up to quarter-size hail, wind gusts of 60 miles an hour, and there would be some heavy rain with any thunderstorms that do roll through. So what you need to do is just stay updated with the latest forecast, have a way to receive those warnings, and the best way to do that, as always, is by downloading the WFA app. For tonight, we have some isolated showers and storms, but as far as any severe weather, that threat would be way out to the west. So I'm not including Dallas or Fort Worth, any of the Metroplex in that tonight. But tomorrow, we do have a marginal risk for seeing the quarter-size hail, wind gusts of 60 miles an hour. And basically that includes Denton, Fort Worth, Granbury, and areas to the north and to the west. But even Dallas, even Waxahachie, even Terrell, I would say that there's a solid chance that there could be maybe up to quarter-size hail, wind gusts of 60 miles an hour. In the meantime, this is our Cedar Hill camera, and you can see the clouds bubbling up. We do have some showers and even a few thunderstorms in the far east, but some isolated showers now popping up across parts of the Metroplex. So zooming in just a little bit more closely here, you can see those showers just east of Terrell. The ones just north and east of Wiley, those are falling apart, but we also have the shower that's going to be south of Mesquite. Zooming in a little bit closer, that's going to be just north of Seagoville, but it's also looks like it's trying to weaken as it moves off to the north and east. But it's also, there's no lightning, there's nothing strong about that storm, just an isolated shower. Things will change though as we get into tomorrow. So this is going to be noon tomorrow, and we're expecting this complex of rain and storms to move in from the north and west. And this is going to be noon. It looks like we're going to have some strong storms in between Sherman, Denton, Decatur, Mineral Wells, all the way down towards Breckenridge. And there could still be some isolated showers and storms out ahead of that. This is going to be 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And now the stronger storms from Greenville to Terrell to just south of Dallas, Waxahachie, Cleburne. This is going to continue to move off to the south and east. So it looks like by 5 o'clock, we could still have some showers around, but the stronger part of these storms, they're going to be well to the south and east. Tomorrow evening, it looks like we dry out. We're going to get some quiet time. And then by the time we get into tomorrow night into Friday morning, maybe a few isolated showers. And then later in the Friday afternoon, well, I think that's when we could see more scattered showers and thunderstorms with, yes, unfortunately, it looks like the possibility of storms will be returning for the weekend. But for tonight, I think overall it's going to be pretty quiet. Temperatures drop down into the low to even the upper 60s. Tomorrow afternoon, despite the rain and storms, despite the cloud cover, we still make it into the upper 70s to low 80s, about 76 in McKinney, 79 in Dallas, 78 in Decatur, and 80 tomorrow in Waxahachie. So for tonight, mostly cloudy. Can't rule out an isolated shower or storm, but again, not really expecting any severe weather for this evening. Tomorrow, though, that's going to change. We do have scattered showers and thunderstorms. Wind and hail will be the big threats, but we still make it to about 80 degrees. So looking at the 14-day forecast, tomorrow is our weather alert day. On Friday, we still have another chance of showers and thunderstorms. Very low threat, anything becomes strong to severe. Saturday, going with a 40% chance. Yesterday it was looking drier, but the data changed today, and now it says that sometime late Saturday afternoon and into the evening, we could have more storms come in. So we're going to fine tune that as we get closer, because I know there's a lot going on this weekend. There's a taste of Addison, and you don't want to be caught out in it. Sunday, there's a 10% coverage of rain and storms. Right now, Sunday's looking like the drier day, and I know the taste of Addison goes on at least until Sunday. There's a lot of events this weekend, so you just have to stay updated with the latest forecast. Monday for now looks like it's going to be dry, of course, mid 80s by the time the events are over. But on Tuesday, a 30% coverage of rain and storms. And after that, we still have a few more chances of storms looking at the second half of that 14-day. But generally, it's looking warm, and eventually it will be trending drier. Jason, back to you.